In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to set up an event with a single ticket using a single session. We will explore how to add a ticket, which is step 3. If you have not watched step 1 or step 2 of these tutorials, I highly recommend you do so. Let's start with step 3. In step 3, we are going to add a single ticket, which will be a zero price ticket. Pro tip: adding a zero price ticket to a test event will allow you to book the ticket when testing without having to pay for it. Thus, you can see what the ticketing journey looks like from a customer's perspective, at no cost. To get started, click the button, click here to add ticket. This will open the Step 3 Add Ticket Types page. Here is what a blank form may look like. Note that it has some fields which have been filled in for you to start with. This is Merlin trying to be helpful and make the process quicker to set up an event. For this demonstration, I will be changing some of the auto-generated data inside the fields. This is because I personally like to make it obvious from looking at my event setups, what tickets link to what event. You do not have to do this, and you can just let Merlin help and decide for you. Here is what my filled-in Step 3 table looks like. I have added field numbers for better understanding. About the ticket fields. 1. Ticket code. Rules: the code has to be in capitals and has a maximum character length of 20. Note that Merlin will auto-convert the code to uppercase as you type, to be helpful. This field is auto-generated. However, I will add my own. You can skip this if you are happy letting Merlin add this for you. For this field, I am going to overwrite the ticket code to Mytist T01. Why? Mytist is the name of my event. T is for ticket. This is a ticket code. 01, this is the first ticket for this event. If I add another ticket, then it would be 02. Example, Mytist T02. 2. Ticket type. Rules: maximum length of 60 characters. This is used to name your ticket. For this demonstration, I am going to add a zero price ticket, as that is what it's going to be. Other examples could be adult, child, family, 2+2. It's up to you what you type. But you need to keep in mind that it has to be self-explanatory when a customer is adding that ticket to their basket. 3. VAT rate. You will be able to select a VAT rate for your ticket. The Merlin system will automatically be configured for 20% and 0% VAT rates. You can add more VAT rates if you like, but they must be configured before you start to add an event. Please watch the tutorial, Adding VAT Rates, for how to add a VAT rate. As my ticket is zero price, I am going to use the drop-down arrow to switch it to 0 VAT. 4. Price. Rules: numbers only field. As my ticket is a zero price ticket, then I can leave this field at 0.00. If you are wanting to charge for this ticket, then you can change the field to whatever price you are wanting to sell this ticket for. 5. Head count. Rules: number only field. The head count is used for how many people this ticket covers. The head count is used to reduce the number of how many the event is set for, known as maximum head count. Don't worry about maximum head count at this time. We will cover this in step 4. For my zero price ticket, I want the head count to be 1. So no change needed. If it was a family ticket, 2+2, then I would set the head count to 4. If it was a free entry under 1, then I would set the head count to 0. 6. Display order. Rules: number only field. Here is where you can decide what order your tickets will be listed. 1 is first place, top of the list. 2 is second place. 7. Advanced settings. At this time, I will not be covering advanced settings in this tutorial. I will cover them in another tutorial. But rest assured that for this ticket, we do not need to add any. Merlin will auto-add them for you. I do not want to add any more tickets at this time. So it's time to move on to step 4 by clicking the next button at the bottom. You can add more tickets at any time, even after the event has been created. Please feel free to contact support via email or call our office if you have any questions or need further assistance. Contact us on +44 1226 294413.